If you've ever looked at a picture of Jupiter on your phone or in a video, you might notice something unusual, tiny dots lined up around it. Those aren't stars, they're moons. On Earth, we're used to having just one moon. It feels normal, simple, and easy to understand. But Jupiter completely changes that idea. So, why does Jupiter have so many moons? How did one planet end up with an entire swarm orbiting around it? The answer begins with Jupiter's size. It's the largest planet in the solar system, with more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. Because of this, Jupiter has an incredibly powerful gravitational pull. Its influence stretches far out into space. As asteroids and icy objects travel through the solar system, some pass close to Jupiter. When they do, its gravity can pull them in and trap them into orbit. Step by step, this process repeats. Objects that might have continued drifting instead become permanent companions, new moons. But that's only part of the story. When Jupiter first formed, it was surrounded by a spinning disk of gas and dust. From this disk, some of its largest moons were born, forming alongside the planet itself billions of years ago. This is why Jupiter has two types of moons: large, stable ones formed early, and smaller, irregular ones captured later. Now here's the incredible part. Moons like Europa and Ganymede are massive worlds of their own. Ganymede is so big that it's even larger than the planet Mercury. At the same time, Jupiter also has many tiny, oddly shaped moons that were likely captured from passing space debris. Together, they create a system that looks like a miniature version of the solar system itself. Jupiter sits at the center, with dozens of moons orbiting in different paths, speeds, and distances. All of this is made possible by one key force: gravity. Jupiter's gravity is strong enough not just to attract objects, but to hold onto them for billions of years. The insight here is simple but powerful. The bigger something is in space, the more control it has over its surroundings. And Jupiter uses that power to build and maintain an entire family of moons. In the end, Jupiter has so many moons because it's massive enough to create them, capture them, and keep them from ever escaping. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.